how to create a subdomain in cPanel. So this is very easy. What we need to do is scroll down after we have logged into cPanel here. We want to scroll down until we see the domains section and just click on domains here in the second slot. Now once we have domains open, what we need to do is go right here and click on create a new domain. Now from this page we will type the subdomain which we want to create. So I'll do nethelp.com. This is just as an example. Then another thing that we need to do is make sure this is unchecked. So share document root, make sure this is unchecked. If it's checked, you want to uncheck it. And then here we'll type out the subdomain location. So the file system location here, we want to type this out. And after we have completed this slot here as well, then we'll need to click on submit. And that's going to create a subdomain for us in cPanel. So that's really how you do it. It's very easy. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.